In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to complete change orders in QuickBooks Online. When you're working on a project, it's completely normal for the scope to change. Maybe the client wants extra work, different materials, or an upgrade to what was originally agreed. Instead of creating a brand new estimate from scratch, QuickBooks Online lets you handle these changes directly on your existing estimate, so everything stays organized and easy to track. First, we'll open the original estimate. In QuickBooks Online, go to the left-hand menu and click on Sales. In some versions, this might be labeled Invoicing, and that's fine. It works the same way. From there, choose the All Sales tab. This is where you'll see a list of all your transactions. Use the search bar or filters to locate the estimate you originally created for this job. Once you see that estimate in the list, click on it to open it up. This will bring you to the Estimate Details screen. At the bottom or top of that window, you'll see an option to edit. Go ahead and click Edit so you can make changes. Now we're going to add the change order itself. Rather than altering your original line items, which can make things confusing later, you'll add a new line item. In the Product or Service column, choose the appropriate item for the work or materials being added. If you have a specific service set up for change orders, you can select that. Otherwise, choose the closest match you have. Next, you want to clearly label this new line so it stands out as a change order. In the description field, type something specific like change order, kitchen remodel labor, or whatever best matches the project. The key is to make it obvious that this is additional work beyond the original agreement so that both you and your client can quickly recognize it. After that, enter the details and costs. Add the quantity, the rate, and verify that the amount calculates correctly. Take a moment to double-check these numbers. Getting this right now helps avoid confusion or disputes later on. When everything looks good, click Save to update the estimate. QuickBooks Online will keep a revision history behind the scenes, sometimes called an audit trail, so you can always see what was changed and when. Finally, it's best practice to send this updated estimate to your client for review and approval before you begin any of the extra work. This step protects both parties and keeps your project communication clear and professional.